So friends, if we start from the today's stock number one, that is the Reliance Industries, the results have just been declared. If you see today's performance, it was almost flat, and that is how I can also summarize the results of Reliance Industries. Now in the 1 year, if you see that the performance has been 18%, and in 5 years it is almost doubled the investors' money. Now why are we discussing this? Because like I told you, the Reliance Industries Q2 results have just been declared, and what it says that it has beaten the analyst estimates. The profit has increased, and also the revenue has been more than the expectation of the different analysts. Now what was the expectation of analysts, that we need to know. See, Reliance Industries posted net quarter profits of almost 16,500 crore rupees, and what was the expectation of the analyst was 15,000. So again 15,000, it has clocked for 16,000, and also they expected that the quarterly the revenue will be around 2.31 lakh crore rupees, but it has been to 2.35 lakh crore, and that is the reason why it has beaten the analyst expectations. Now there are two major reasons. One is the increase in the telecom Geo ARPU, that means the average revenue per user. So if you remember, recently there was a tariff hike. Even though the company is saying the full impact will come in the next 2 to 3 quarters, so that means next 2 to 3 quarters there can be a high profit. And also in the Reliance Retail Ventures, so if you see that the profit has risen by almost 20% from a quarter ago. These are the two major reasons for the rise in profits of particular Reliance Industries. Now if we see and focus on the before we come to the stock performance, let's focus on the fundamental of this stock. Now the Reliance Industries, as you know, is there in the almost every kind of a business. Market cap is quite huge, more than 80 lakh crore rupees. Now we focus on the quarterly profits. So if you see, the quarterly profits across different years has increased. Every time there has been an increase. If you see and focus on the ratios, which are very important of course, then you see that the ROE and ROC, which is very important. The ROE has been consistent up to 10 to 9%. Very important to see that the investors profile, FIs and DIs, if you see, has almost kept almost 38 to 40% kind of, which are considered as a strong hand in the industry as compared to the public hand. Now let's focus on the movement of this particular stock. So if you see, this is the stock from the last one and a half years. So recently the stock has kind of come down from its peak from 3200. Now it looks like that it has taken a support at this particular level. So it already kind of taken a beating from last few days, and it has come to a very good support level. So it looks very difficult, considering the stock has beaten the estimates, that it will go further down. The rest, it will depend how it opens tomorrow. But there is also one very big important news, that recently 1.5 months there was a bonus issue which was declared by the company, even though the record date is not yet out. But that means there will be one additional bonus share which will be given to every investors. So that kind of also give a very positive sentiment to this particular stock. So how this stock moves, that we need to see. But looks like that it's a very good at support level, and further down it looks very difficult. So that is all I wanted to say in this video. There is no recommendation to any of these stocks. Do your own research, and we'll meet in the next video. If you liked it, please press the like button, and also do subscribe to this channel, Simply Money. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot.